Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure file history backups in Windows 11 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure file history backups in Windows 11, start by clicking on the Start button. Type Settings in the search bar and select the Settings app from the results. In the Settings window, find and click on Update and Security. On the left sidebar, click on Backup. You will see next. Click on More Options to access additional settings for file history. In the Backup Options menu, choose the drive where you want to save your backups. If the preferred drive is not listed, connect an external drive and it should appear. Under the Backup These Folders section, you can add or remove folders you want to back up. To add folders, click on the Add a Folder button and select your desired folder. To remove folders, hover over the folder name and click the Remove button. Next, scroll down to configure the backup frequency. You can set how often you want to back up your files, from every hour to daily. Select how long you want to keep saved versions of your files. Once you've set your preferences, close the Settings window. File history will now start backing up your files according to the settings you configured. To restore files from a backup, go back to the Backup menu and click on Restore Files from a current backup. You can browse and select the. Once selected, click the green button to restore them to their original location. That's it. Your file history backups in Windows 11 are now configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.